I truly believe that when you have a nice haircut, you feel your absolute best. That feeling when you leave that barber chair, it feels good. You just feel like $1 million. You feel unstoppable, you feel so confident, and that's what I want you to feel every single day, no matter your age. So in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you the best hairstyles for each age group so you can dial in your looks no matter your hair length, your hairline, and your age. I'm gonna give you multiple options to make sure that you look your best. First, if you're a teenager in high school, this is your time to explore. This is the best time to try new hairstyles. And take it from me, because I went to military school growing up, so I was only allowed to have a buzz cut during that time. And I remember always looking at my friends and being jealous of them because they could grow out their hair and it just looked a lot better than mine. So as a young man, you should definitely go through this process of trial and error, figure out what works for you, figure out what doesn't look good, because that is the time to explore. And a great start is a messy French crop with the faded sides and back. It's super popular, it's everywhere right now, and it's very clean. It's got the sleek sides, the textured top, lets you customize it in different ways. You can, just kind of make it pretty messy, which makes it low effort too. And it's a good hairstyle if you want to make a statement. The textured top gives you that trendy, edgy vibe, and it's the kind of hairstyle that all your friends will be jealous of. Plus, like I said, it's easy to take care of and style. Just use the Forte Series Sea Salt Spray, or if you sprinkle a little bit of texture powder and massage it onto your hair, it's going to look amazing and it's super easy. And if you're feeling bold, if you feel like you want to be seen, if you're feeling invisible, the modern mullet can be a great choice. Look, it's got a shorter top where you don't have to go too long, but the back is a little bit longer, and that's what makes it the mullet, right? It's extremely popular right now, and it's the kind of hairstyle that only looks good when you're younger. You don't want to be rocking a modern mullet when you're 35, 45. It's just not really the go-to look. So I would say this is the perfect time to have that hairstyle. This is the perfect time to explore it. Another hairstyle that works really well for teens is the middle part, also known as the curtains. Now, if you look at the young TV stars in the 90s, so many of them have a middle part. And nowadays, it's just as trendy. And for this hairstyle to work, you're gonna need to grow out your hair a little longer, about 5 inches up top, so you get that nice flow. And I would style it with the Forte Sea Salt Spray. Now, as you hit 18 to 24, which by the way, amazing age, right? Most of your friends will also start upgrading their looks, and you experience a lot of big life changes. You go to college, you're living alone, maybe you're traveling, right? So it's another really great opportunity to try new styles and to stand out. You're also probably dating around this time, so you want to look good for the ladies, right? The middle part flow looks really good at this age too, so if you haven't had this haircut before, I highly recommend you try it, because as you get older, let's say in your 30s, it's not the best hairstyle for that age unless you still have a ton of hair and it works for you. So if you don't try it now, you might lose your chance. So that's why I say when you're younger, definitely try different hairstyles, because maybe you won't have the option to do so later on in life. The French crop is also perfect if you're 18 to 24. And if you have short hair, it's amazing, right? Keep it 3 to 4 inches on top, you comb it forward, and you fade the sides. And you can just use the Forte texture powder with your fingers to add that natural texture. It's kind of cool how it's messy, right? But it's not a mess, if you get the difference. This is controlled chaos. It's messy on purpose, which is completely different from just having messy, bad hair. Okay, let's talk about maybe my favorite hairstyle of all time, the textured quiff. Now, what I like the most about this hairstyle is the fact that it can be classy, right? And almost vintage inspired if you want as well. Or you can mess it up a little bit more and make it more modern, more young. And the best part is that these are the same exact haircut, right? It's just styled differently so that you get a 2-for-1 here, which is great. All you have to do is ask your hairstylist to leave 3 to 4 inches up top, then shorter sides. And you can go with a scissor cut for a more mature look, kind of like mine, or even a fade if you want to look younger, if you want to go a little bit more bold. And the key to styling this and making it look great, you have to blow dry it upwards and backwards to lift the roots. And then you just use the Forte Series Texture Clay Extreme Hold to hold the quiff in place. This is our best-selling product, by the way. It has the best hold in the market, so your hair is not going to fall flat halfway through your day. And also, it adds a slight natural shine so that your hair looks really healthy right away. Now, if you have longer hair and if you feel like having some fun, check out the modern wolf cut. It's definitely on the edgy side, right? But it shows personality. It has this kind of shaggy, layered look that's really cool, and I see a lot of guys here in New York rocking this all the time because it's a more fashion-forward haircut. Also, this is really big in Asia right now, which makes sense because, like I said, they tend to be more fashion-forward, and this is a more fashion-forward hairstyle. To make it look good, your hair needs to be healthy though. It's not one of those hairstyles that you can just wing it. So make sure to hydrate your hair. Apply the Forte hydrating oil to damp hair and then air dry or use a diffuser to bring out those really great layers and texture. And then you can just finish it off with a small amount of the hairstyling cream for that additional healthy shine. Now, the most important thing here is when you're washing your hair, leave the conditioner on for about 2 minutes to keep your hair healthy, to give it that nice flow, especially because it's longer hair. Longer hair obviously needs more time for management, right? It's harder to manage, so it all starts in the shower. Moving on to ages 25 to 32. And maybe you've just started your career, maybe you're already a little bit more underway, but you're a young professional. You're probably making a little bit more money. You just got a girlfriend, right? At this age, what's important is that you choose a hairstyle that is presentable, but it still shows some youth. Just because you're 29, 30, it doesn't mean that you can't have fun, but you should try hairstyles that are more on the classy side. You're not a teenager anymore. You're not going to school anymore. You're a man now. And I'll start with an easy option, the short quiff. It's got shorter sides than usual, and then it's got that medium to short length up top, especially in the front. If you have straight hair, this is a great option for you. Just go for a fade or really short sides, kind of like mine. It works for casual and formal occasions, whether you're wearing a suit or a t-shirt and shorts, because it's a clean cut. It gives you that professional look, but it's also pretty simple. It's not edgy or bold. It's a safe hairstyle, let's be honest. And your hair can literally be 2 to 3 inches up top for this, so it's pretty easy to get there. You can style it upwards, you can style it backwards, kind of similar to the textured quiff, but the only difference is this is a lot shorter, a lot easier to maintain. And if you want the safest haircut of them all, right? This is probably the most popular hairstyle in the world, by the way, for men. It's the side part. Guys in every age group can have this haircut. It's a very low maintenance hairstyle and it gives you that classic polished look. Now, I don't necessarily love the side part just because it's too simple. Having said that, like I talk about hair on YouTube. So for me, I think it would be a little bit too simple, but it's a very easy and safe hairstyle. I do like a variation of that, which I call the 80-20 part. It's kind of what I have going on right now. It's just a side part, but the part is a little bit higher. So instead of parting it down here, you just go up a little bit more. So you have 80% there, 20% there. It's just a little bit higher instead of being down here. Now I style mine with a little bit of thickening spray first, like 3 sprays, and then damp, wet hair, that's it. Blow dry. And then I used either the texture clay or today I'm actually using the hairstyling cream. By the way, if you have longer hair, man, there's so many different styles to choose from. Guys like Matthew McConaughey, Shawn Mendes, Harry Styles, right? They've all had this type of longer, medium length, let's say, hair before. I call it the flow, and it's a really cool vintage look. It works really well with the old money aesthetic. It gives you that high-end look, but with a good amount of volume and texture that will definitely get people's attention. I had this hairstyle myself for a little while, and if I could, I'd probably rock it again. It just takes a little bit longer to get there, and I don't think I have the patience for it right now. But man, it got a lot of compliments. It's a compliment getter. And the great thing about it is that it's low maintenance. Once you get there, it can be pretty low maintenance. And your hair doesn't need to be super long. Again, focus on keeping your hair healthy and hydrated. That's the #1 thing. So definitely use some oils, use a good conditioner, and that's all that you need. But look, as you get older, your priorities will start to change. And as a result, your hairstyle options could reflect maybe a little bit more sophistication, right? A more mature vibe when you're 33 to 45. And this hairstyle might be a surprise, but I have to start with the buzz cut. It is super clean, very simple, and it gives you a classic masculine, strong look, especially if your personal style is on point, if you have good style. Every guy should have a buzz cut at least once in their lives. I say this in every hair video. I feel like a broken record, but listen, every guy should have a buzz cut. Every guy should have long hair at least once in your life. Just try it. And honestly, a buzz cut is the best. And it requires literally no maintenance, right? It saves you so much time in the morning when you're getting ready. And it's also perfect if you have an active lifestyle because you can wash it so easily. There's no dry time. It's literally just like you wake up, you're done. You're ready to go. There's nothing else you need to do to your hair. And you can hit up your barber every couple of weeks to keep it fresh, or you can just do what I actually used to do back in military school, and I just buzzed it myself, so you can definitely just get clippers and buzz it yourself. And by the way, when I say buzz cut, don't be afraid to experiment a little with the length. Play around with different clipper guards until you find the perfect length that complements your face shape. And you can even get a fade on the sides and the back, you can taper it, so you can still, a buzz cut doesn't mean like just buzz it all in one length. You can still have fun with it. And if you can, grow a beard, line it up nicely. That with the buzz cut is going to look obviously extremely masculine. It's a very strong look. Another amazing haircut for guys that age is the crew cut, which is a classic. It's versatile, low maintenance. It's just tapered on the sides and the back, and it's got a little bit longer hair up top. So again, very simple. Now the top hair is usually between 1/2 inch to 2 inches long. And the hair on top, it kind of gradually gets shorter as it moves towards the back. But if you're in this age group and you still have a good head of hair, which is rare by the way, and you want to have a little fun, I got a suggestion for you. Try a medium length wavy hairstyle. And Keanu Reeves pulls this off really well, right? It's made of kind of like a neck length hair, right? A little past like your jaw here, with layers cut in, which adds movement. It keeps it from getting too heavy and too just bulky, so it looks really nice. The layers make it super easy to wear straight or smooth or wavy, and if you have wavy or curly hair, you can definitely use a diffuser and embrace those curls, embrace those waves. And it actually makes you look more youthful, more laid back. Again, this is another hairstyle that you have to keep it healthy. It needs to look good, so it needs some nice natural shine. Make sure to use a styling cream. You don't want to go super complicated, there's no need, but make sure that you're applying oil to your hair. Make sure that you're taking care of those split ends, because this is when it makes a difference. Now, from 40 to 50 and beyond, what's going on to my older audience here? Look, you want hairstyles that still look great and work with your hair without sacrificing your personal style. You want something like a classic crew cut, right? It's a great choice here too. It works if you have kind of thinning hair, which is a big issue for guys, especially in that age group. Your hair starts to thin out a little bit. So the classic crew cut actually hides it a little bit. Now, if you're not thinning, if you still have a good amount of hair, then definitely a textured volume style is also a winner. It just gives you a little bit more length up top to play with, right? So you can get some really nice texture, volume. You can style it in different ways. Every day it's gonna look a little bit different. And this style will 100% make you stand out without seeming like you're trying too hard, right? I think when you're older, you don't wanna look like you're trying too hard either. When you're younger, you don't wanna do that. When you're older, you don't wanna do that. Don't ask me, I don't make the rules. But similar to the quiff, you can easily style this just with the Forte Series Texture Clay. It gives you that amazing texture. It keeps everything in place and it looks so good. Now, this is a great choice if you want something that's polished, but of course, still shows your youthful, young, fun side. Just because you're 45 and up, it doesn't mean that you have to look old and stuffy. So this is a great option. And if you're blessed with longer, thicker hair, definitely go for long and textured waves. Again, another classic. This is just a really elegant style, and you just kind of comb your hair back away from your face, and that's kind of it. You can just blow dry the hair back if you want, or if you want to just kind of mess it up, push it backwards, let it air dry. It's gonna look so good. But what you have to watch out for pretty much any hair that's longer than 3 inches is making sure that it's healthy, because otherwise it's gonna be frizzy, it's gonna be dry, it could be flaky, right? You're gonna have split ends, and that just doesn't look good. So you should definitely watch this video right here if you're ready to understand the mistakes that are probably ruining your hair today.